Good morning, students. Today I'm gonna continue your second chapter, and you have to start from page number 127, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. First of all, let us just understand about the Prime Minister. The leader of the political party or parties securing absolute majority in the Lok Sabha is appointed by the President as the Prime Minister. And the Prime Minister is appointed by the President, who also appoints other ministers on the advice of Prime Minister. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Yes, students, there is a table on page number 127, and here a selection procedure is given. Let's just understand about that. The Union Council of Ministers are appointed by the President of India, and President of India appoints the Prime Minister, and Prime Minister selects the cabinet ministers, ministers of state, deputy ministers, and all these ministers are collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. There are three categories of ministers: cabinet ministers, ministers of state, and deputy ministers. The cabinet ministers hold important portfolios such as home, finance, defense, etc. The Prime Minister of India is the most important person in the government of the country. First of all, he is the leader of the Lok Sabha and the leader of the largest political party or a combination of parties which is represented in the Lok Sabha. And he has the responsibility of managing the affairs of the country, and these affairs could be of internal as well as external. He is the chief spokesperson of the government. And there are certain eligibilities for becoming PM of India. He should be a citizen of India, should be a member of any of the House of the Parliament, either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, should be at least 25 years of age if he or she is the member of the Lok Sabha, or 30 years of age if members of the Rajya Sabha. If a person chosen as the Prime Minister is neither a member of the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha at the time of selection, they must become a member of either of the houses within 6 months. And number 5 is should not hold any office of profit under the Government of India or the Government of State. What are the functions of the Prime Minister? With the appointment of ministers, the Council of Ministers is formed, and the Prime Minister allots one or more departments to each minister, and this procedure is known as allotment of portfolios. And these ministers are known by the portfolios they hold. For example, Minister of Defense, Minister of Finance, etc. And the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are directly responsible to the Lok Sabha, and they can remain in the office as long as they enjoy the majority of the support in the House of the people. Prime Minister. The Prime Minister selects the other ministers. He distributes portfolios among them. He presides over cabinet meetings and decides the business to be transacted at such meetings. The Prime Minister can also demand the resignation of any ministers. He can ask any minister to resign or advise the President to dismiss him in case of differences of opinion. He also controls and directs the activities of all ministers. He can bring about the collapse of the Council of Ministers by resigning from office. Next is the civil services. As you have read, the President, the Prime Minister, and the Council of Ministers, they form the political executive at the center level, and the cabinet only formulates the policies, and while the real execution is left to the civil or public servants, and they are not the members of any political party. They are expected to be impartial in the implementation of a policy or a law, and they are the administrative or permanent executives. And most of the civil servants at the center are selected by the Union Public Service Commission. So students, this is all about this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can call me anytime, and I'll be taking your doubts, and I'll be sending you back exercise and question answers. You have to complete your notebook side by side. Thank you.